So the given question says that which one is a wrong statement. So we can go through all the given statements. The first one says the electronic configuration of an atom is this. Now let us do it by ourselves. What is the electronic configuration of an atom? So it is 1s2. Let me just put the symbols. So 1s2, 2s2, this is 2px1, this is 2py1, and this is 2pz1. So what we see is in the question it is given the last arrow is downwards, but it is actually upwards in the configuration, and therefore this is our right answer since the statement is incorrect.